Let's take a look at the Classwork tab in Google Classroom. I'm going to start by looking at our Google Classroom that we have for this course. Right now, I'm on the stream. Click on the Classwork tab, and you'll see that we only have 2 items on the Classwork page right now because we've just started this class. They're the 2 assignments that I posted, Assignment 1 underneath Assignment 2. If I wanted to, notice that I could switch the order of this, move Assignment 2 down, and now Assignment 1 comes first and then Assignment 2. However, think about the fact that if you are numbering your assignments, you probably want the newest assignment on the top and the older one underneath it. But this Google Classroom is going to be a little bit different than the one that you set up for your specific class, because you're going to be using it with students, and you're going to be using it to post work, to post homework, to post resources. And so you're going to have to think carefully about how you want to organize it. If you're an elementary teacher, you may use the Classwork page to set up topics according to subject. So you might have a ELA, a math, a science, and a social studies topic. If you're a secondary teacher, you might set it up by quarter or even by week or by unit of study. So as you post items, you will decide what topic to add that specific resource to or assignment to, or you will create the topic when you actually post the material. So I only have assignments so far as my topic, and I am going to right now add another topic for you, which will be resources. So I'm going to click the plus button on my browser to open a new tab so that I can navigate to the website that I want to direct you to as learners in this course. So Ditch That Textbook is a really wonderful website where you're going to find just a multitude of ideas and resources to use in your curriculum to help integrate technology. So I'm going to click on Ditch That Textbook. It's going to take me to that website. This guy, Matt, has just recently reorganized the whole site, so I'm not quite used to it yet. But I do see up here he has a tab that's called Google in the Classroom. So I think I want to link directly to that page. So this is all his material for Google resources. And you can see down here, there are just tons of materials for you to use. So now that I'm on that page and I want to link to it, I simply click on the browser tab and highlight the URL, right-click and copy it, and then go back to my Google Classroom page and hit the Create button. So I'm creating for you a new resource. It's not an assignment, it's not a quiz, it's not a question, it's new material. So I'm going to click on Material, and I'm going to call this Ditch That Textbook website. And down here I might write a description, fabulous resource for technology integration. You don't have to put a description, it's optional. Now down here under topic, you can see there's a drop-down arrow, and since I've only added one topic so far, which was assignments, this time I'm going to create a topic, and I'm going to call it resources. And since it's a hyperlink, I'm going to hover over this link button right here, click on it, and I've copied the URL, so now I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to add that link. It puts a nice little thumbnail of that website right here, and when I click Post, it will show up on my Classwork page. Notice it's above assignments. If I think assignments is the topic that I want at the top because it's most important, I could click these 3 little dots and say move up, and assignments would be above resources now. And one thing I want to show you while I happen to be on this page is that if I've been using Google Classroom in multiple classes or for multiple years, when I hit the Create button, there was an item called Reuse Post. And when I click on that, it will actually open up all of my Google Classrooms that I have, and I could find one that I think I might want to repost one of these resources here. So I found, Control Alt Achieve. That's another website that I really like. So I'm going to highlight that, reuse it, and again, I can write a description here if I want to. Under topic, I'm going to choose resources, and I'm going to post that. So now under resources, I have Control-Alt-Achieve and ditch that textbook. Two resources that I think you'll find very useful.